Welcome. If you want to make hard reset of your Xbox Series X through the recovery mode, at the first you have to grab your Xbox. So let me do this. So as I said, here we have the Xbox, right? And we have a few buttons here. The power button and also the sync button. So at the first we have to click and hold this power button to turn off our Xbox. Okay, right now release the key, and right now to enter the recovery mode we have to keep holding the sync button, and after that tap on the power button. So let's do this. I'm gonna put the Xbox here. So press the sync button and keep holding, and after that tap on the power button. Keep holding the sync button all the time. And as you can see right now, we are in the recovery mode. So I will grab the controller. Of course, we have to turn on our controller by tapping here on the Xbox button. It's turned on. So right now we can go to reset, click, and we can keep games and the apps, but we can also remove everything. So you have to decide what you want to do. You can make the whole factory reset bar going to remove that stuff, to remove everything, but I'm going to keep the games and the apps. So choose your best option, and after that we'll be able to set up to go for the first setup of the Xbox after the screen is going to turn off, and it will turn on automatically. So that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.